Next one is Lami's theorem. Okay, so this is a very important theorem for semester examinations. Okay, so as well as for competitive examinations. Then what is the definition of Lami's theorem? Okay, if three forces acting at a point, what is the definition of Lami's theorem? If three forces if three forces acting three forces acting at a point okay, or in equilibrium okay, equilibrium, each force proportional to the proportional to the sine of the angle between okay, the other two forces, two forces. This is the statement of Lami's theorem. If three forces acting at a point, okay, so three forces acting at a point. So now I am taking one point. So this is the, so please consider, so this is the one force, so this is the another force, and this is the third one force. Okay, so three forces. Now I am taking, this is the P, and this one is Q, and this one is the R. Okay, so this is the point is O. Three forces, okay, so acting at a point, okay, that means concurrent forces. Okay, P, Q, R, three forces acting at a point or in equilibrium. Okay, so now I am taking, so P opposite angle is alpha, Q opposite angle is beta, and R opposite angle is the gamma. That means the angle between, so these two forces is beta, and these two forces is gamma, and these two forces is alpha. Okay, then see here, three forces acting at a point equilibrium, each force is proportional to the sine of the angle. So that means each force means how many forces are there? So we have two forces, P and Q and R. Okay, so the angle between the two forces is alpha, angle between two forces is alpha, beta and gamma. Okay, so according to the statement, so each force is proportional to the sine of the opposite angle, so P opposite is alpha, Q force opposite is the beta. So now I am taking, so Q proportional to sine beta, then third force is R, so R opposite is the gamma. So now I am taking, so R proportional to the sine gamma. So this is the statement of the Lami's theorem. Now I am taking, so P proportional to, so please eliminate this proportional to. Okay, so P, eliminate this proportional, so P equal to, so please add some constant, K sin alpha. Okay, for this also Q equal to K sin beta, then for this R also, okay, so K sin gamma. Okay, so from this equation, this is now consider as this is the equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So from equation 1 you can write this equation like this, K equal to P by sin alpha. Okay, so from equation 2 you can write K equal to Q by sin beta. Okay, so then, so finally, so from equation 3 K equal to R by sin gamma. Okay, so this, now I am taking, this is the 4, this is the fifth one, and this one is the equation number 6. From equation number 4 and 5 and 6, okay, so all the, see here, so 4 is the K and 5 is the K and 6 is the K. Okay, so that, So you can write this you can write this equation. So you can write this equation. So k equal to p by sin alpha equal to q by sin beta equal to r by sin gamma. Okay, so this is the final equation for Lami's theorem. Okay.